Let's learn how you can organize your meeting notes in one place using Notion. We'll be using Tactiq, a free transcription tool that integrates seamlessly with Notion. Tactiq offers AI-powered transcription with high accuracy and a live browser experience without any need for extra downloads. It also integrates with tools that you already use, such as Notion. And yes, it's completely free. Let's get started. First, install the Tactiq Chrome extension. Once installed, it will start transcribing your meetings automatically, whether they're on Google Meet, Zoom, or MS Teams. After the call, the transcript is generated and made available on the Tactiq dashboard. To share, click on the share icon and select Notion. You'll only need to do this once. Then, choose a parent page where Tactiq will send the transcript each time you share on Notion. And there you have it. Your transcript is now on Notion, ready for you to work with. Notion recently launched its own transcription tool, but to use it, you need a desktop app and a business or enterprise plan. On the other hand, Tactiq is free for up to 10 calls and is available on the Chrome browser. To learn more about how you can increase your productivity with Tactiq and Notion, visit Tactiq.io.